Burritos are believed to have originated in Mexico in the late 19th century. The term, burrito, means little donkey in Spanish, and some say the name comes from the fact that the rolled-up tortilla resembles the shape of a donkey ear. The burrito as we know it today, with rice, beans, meat, and other fillings, likely originated in California in the mid-20th century. It was a convenient and portable meal for farmworkers and others on the go. There are many different types of burritos, depending on the region and the fillings used. Some popular types include the bean and cheese burrito, the breakfast burrito, often filled with eggs, bacon, and potatoes, and the California burrito, which includes French fries. Burritos are often associated with Tex-Mex and Mexican-American cuisine, but they have become popular all over the world. In fact, there is even a chain of burrito restaurants called Burrito Project in South Africa. Burritos can be a healthy and nutritious meal if made with the right ingredients. A typical burrito can provide a good balance of protein, fiber, and carbohydrates. However, some burritos can be high in calories, fat, and sodium, so it's important to choose wisely. The largest burrito ever made weighed over 5,000 pounds and was over 1,500 feet long. It was created in 2010 by a group of students in California and took over 7 hours to cook. There is an annual World Burrito Eating Championship, held in Las Vegas, where professional eaters compete to see who can eat the most burritos in a set amount of time. The current record is 15.75 burritos in 10 minutes. Burritos have inspired a variety of creative and unusual dishes, such as burrito bowls, burrito pizzas, and even burrito-inspired sushi rolls. In some parts of Mexico, burritos are not actually considered traditional Mexican food. They are more commonly found in the northern states, such as Chihuahua and Sonora. Burritos can be enjoyed at any time of day, but they are especially popular as a late-night snack or hangover cure. In fact, some burrito places are open 24 hours a day to cater to hungry late-night crowds. In 2019, a group of students in California created a burrito delivery system using drones. They successfully delivered a burrito over a distance of 1.5 miles. Burritos are so popular that there is even a National Burrito Day, celebrated on the first Thursday of April every year. Some restaurants offer special deals and discounts on this day. Burritos have been featured in popular culture in many ways, such as in movies like Nacho Libre, and TV shows like Breaking Bad and Bob's Burgers. The world's largest burrito-making competition is held in California every year. The world's largest burrito is made during the competition and is typically over 100 feet long. Burritos can be made with a variety of tortillas, including wheat, corn, and even spinach and tomato-flavored tortillas. The filling of a burrito can be customized to suit personal tastes and dietary needs. Some popular fillings include chicken, beef, pork, fish, vegetables, and tofu. The word burrito has been used in some interesting ways, such as in the case of a New Mexico man who tried to change his name to burrito in 2016. The request was denied by the court. In 2006, a man in Oregon was arrested for stealing a burrito. The man was charged with theft and spent a night in jail. In some parts of the world, burritos are known by different names. For example, in Argentina, they are called burritos de jamón y queso, ham and cheese burritos, while in Cuba, they are called fajitas. Burritos can be a great option for vegetarians and vegans, as they can be made with plant-based fillings such as beans, rice, tofu, and vegetables. Some restaurants even offer vegan cheese and sour cream as toppings. Burritos have become so popular that they have even inspired their own emojis. The burrito emoji was added to Unicode in 2015 and can be found on most mobile devices. Burritos can be a great way to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Some popular variations include Thai-inspired burritos, Korean barbecue burritos, and Indian-inspired burritos. In 2011, a restaurant in San Francisco created the Extreme Eating Award by the Center for Science in the Public Interest. One of the items that won the award was a burrito that contained over 2,500 calories. The burrito has become so popular that it has even inspired its own holiday, International Burrito Day, celebrated on the first Thursday of April. Burritos have been taken to space. In 2006, NASA astronaut Steve Swanson brought a specially designed burrito with him on a space mission. The burrito was made with a tortilla that was specially formulated to withstand the rigors of space travel. Burritos are not just popular in the United States and Mexico. They have also gained popularity in other countries such as Japan, where they are often filled with ingredients like chicken teriyaki and avocado. The burrito has inspired many unique food combinations, such as the sushirito, which is a sushi and burrito hybrid. In 2013, the world's largest burrito was made in Mexico. It was over 2 kilometers long and weighed over 10 tons. Burritos can be a great option for people with food allergies, as they can be made with gluten-free tortillas and dairy-free fillings. The popularity of burritos has led to the creation of many different types of restaurants, from traditional Mexican restaurants to fast casual chains like Chipotle and Qdoba.